One of the best things about being a YouTuber or a content creator is that sometimes you just come home and find a ton of packages waiting for you to be unboxed. Guys, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, it's a massive mystery package unboxing from TechSmart. All of the stuff inside here, gadgets. I'm excited. Let's go. Speaking about gadgets, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are about to draw the winner of our giveaway for the Realme C1 smartphone. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link down below so you can see the rest of the mechanics of our giveaway. Go! Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out to all of the students who were there during Mad World 2019. I had so much fun giving the talk. And guys, I will be putting together a vlog about the experience of giving that talk. So watch out for that in the next few days. Now, with that out of the way, let's get to the unboxing. TechSmart is a gadget website, an e-commerce store or an online shop that sells a bunch of brands, from accessories to speakers to chargers and power banks and all of that good stuff. They were kind enough to send us this massive package. We have 3 bags worth of gadgets, guys, and we'll be going through them one by one. Let's start with, I have no idea, by the way, what's inside. So let's start with this carton packaging, or this Tron Smart like box, or like paper bag. And let's take a look at what's inside. So first up, we have a Tron Smart Element T6 wireless speaker. So this is supposed to have superior 360-degree surround sound, 25 watts total power for superior sound. That's pretty good. 5,200 milliamperes battery for a 15-hour playback time. And it's also rugged cylindrical with woven mesh design. And lastly, it comes with touch control. So this is what it looks like. I won't take it out of the box yet because we'll have to go through so many gadgets for now. It also comes with a carrying case. So you can get it like this. So if you guys are thinking or looking for speakers that you can bring with you when you are traveling, or just, you just need extra speakers, you might want to check this one out. So that's the first item. Next, we have the Tron Smart Element Force Plus. This one is a waterproof wireless speaker. So it is IPX7 certified, which means that it is water, dust, and shock resistant. It also supports true wireless stereo. That's pretty good. And it also has a passive radiator for deep bass. Wow, cool. So thank you again to TechSmart for sending 2 speakers. 2 speakers, but yeah, that's cool. So that's it for the first paper bag. Let's get to the second one. We have another one here. So this one is like in some sort of like blue eco bag. So by the way, guys, I will put the link down below in the description below to the website and the Facebook page of TechSmart, just in case you guys want to check out all of the products and accessories and gadgets that they have available on their site. So let's take a look at what's here. So first up, we have an Anchor. I have no idea what it is. It just says Anchor power line, or probably like a lightning cable. This is nice. If this is a lightning cable, it even comes with its own pouch. So let's take a look at what's inside. Whoa. This one, I will take a look at that color. Very hype, very supreme. So it is a braided lightning cable. That looks really nice. One of the nicest looking lightning cables I've seen in a while. And again, the great thing about this one is that it comes in some sort of like carrying case. So Anchor lightning cable. It's called the Powerline Plus. I will be putting the link to this one to the TechSmart site down below, as well as the price in the description box. So if you guys want to buy one, you will see it down below. Let's keep going because it still has a lot of stuff inside. Oh wow, this is a big one. This is the Smarty organizer carrying case. Now this one I can use. I am such a sucker for gadget kits. As in, like the small pouches that carry multiple gadgets. Kinilig ako dun. But anyway, so this is the Smart Tree organizer carrying case. So let's take it out of the box. Comes in a nice brown carton box and in plastic, and this is what it looks like. Wow. I'm excited for this one. So it's basically a zippered ballistic nylon pouch. And when you pop it open, it will have multiple compartments for all the gadgets that you usually carry with you. So you have, wow, this is nice. So you have a lot of space. You can put your power bank, you can put your SD card, you can put all the cables that you want. You can put like a iPad. Oh, pretty much everything and all the gadgets that you have, including probably your, what do you call that? Tablet or iPad and smartphone, you can put in this one. This is like the modern day clutch bag. It's the Gadget clutch bag. So from Smart 3. Smat 3. So far, this plus the lightning cable are my top picks. Let's keep going. Wow, there's still a lot in this paper bag. So it's an eco bag. So up next we have, it's an Anker Power Fusion 5000. So it's definitely a power bank because it does say 5,000 milliamperes. So yeah, this is a power bank. I won't take it out of the box anymore, but yeah, TechSmart, thanks for all the love, guys. I mean, you already sent me 2 speakers. Now you sent me a lightning cable, and now I have a nice power bank to boot. Wow, perks. Let's keep going. What else is here? We have another power line. It's a USB charging brand. So let's take a look at what's inside this one. So I think it's another lightning cable, but I'm not too sure. So let's just stare. Oh yeah, it's a smaller lightning cable. So I think the other one was a longer length. This one is probably shorter. And yes, it comes in the hype red colorway. Thank you, TechSmart. You guys know what my favorite color is for my gadget. So this one, definitely going to be put to good use. We have one more item in this paper bag. Then we have another paper bag to check out. This one is... I have so many power banks now. This is the Oki 30,000 milliampere power bank with USB-C power delivery with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Now this is sick. Thank you, TechSmart. Wow. Guys, this is technically, I guess it's sponsored because they send the stuff over for free. But yeah, I will just show them a lot of love because I am loving the stuff that they sent over. I mean, again, like what I mentioned, Anker and Oki are 2 of my favorite brands. I usually have a lot of their accessories, from their cables to their power banks. And having this 30,000 milliampere USB-C power bank, I could probably use this to charge my MacBook Pro. But again, thank you. Next, let's check out the other paper bag because this is just the second one. There's a third one. But man, this is just really the craziest and most fun unboxings I've done in a while. And it's also a welcome break from all the sneakers, right? So up next, we have another power bank. So this one is from Asus. It is a full screen bracket wireless charge power bank. Why is it called the bracket? It's 8,000 milliampere. Oh, it's wireless charging. So what happens is you put the phone on the side and it will wirelessly charge your smartphone if your smartphone has the key wireless standard. And the great thing about it is my iPhone has that, so this should work together. Next up, we have something from a brand called Chotec with the tagline "Power to the Best." So this one is a dual fast charge wireless charging plate. What? So it can dual charge output, can charge 2 devices simultaneously. It has 5 power coils for widening charging area, and it has reversible. Wow, man, this is just sick. Really crazy. So from Chotec, again, TechSmart, guys, you are awesome. I mean, so let's keep going. We have a USB wall charger with USB Quick Charge 3.0 from Chotec. We also have, what's this? A wireless charging stand, again, from Chotec, which has fast charging. That's important if you guys will buy a wireless charging plate. Always make sure that the one you get is fast charging, or else it will take forever for you to be able to charge your phone. Because wireless charging is really slow as it is, but if the power output of your charger is even low, then it will be much longer than that. So we have 2 more items. Next up, we have, what? The Chafon multi-cable. So it is a USB connector with multiple different ports. So yeah, really nice. And lastly, the last item on this paper package or eco bag is a fast wireless charging pad, again from Chotec. So if the previous one had 2, this one has like a single one. I'm just overwhelmed. with all the gadgets that we have in front of me. So thank you, TechSmart Philippines, for sending this loot over. It is probably the most fun unboxing I've done in a while, and it really made me miss tech so much. So guys, if you want to check out TechSmart, I will put a link down below to their website. Please do support their products and services. I will list the prices of all the items that I was able to pick up in this vlog or that they sent over for the mystery packages down below as well in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are still giving away the Realme C1 smartphone. That's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.